Hello folks, Brandon here with slingmods.com, and today we have a trunk organizer for the Can-Am Spyder RT. If organization is your thing, then this rear trunk organizer for the Can-Am Spyder RT might be something you want to add to your Spyder. We partnered up with our friends over at Hopnel to bring you a quick and easy to install solution to organizing your Can-Am Spyder trunk within minutes. This organizer wraps around the back and two sides of your trunk and is held in place with 5 factory screw points, as well as a velcro style hook and loop system for a little added security. The organizer features 2 mesh pockets on the sides, one covered 5x6 by 1.5 inch storage pouch with rear pocket, one 6-inch by 2-inch pocket sleeve, one 2.5 by 4 3/4 inch pocket sleeve, and 4 elastic loops for tools and other accessory storage. Now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and for proper adhesion, make sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now using a T30 Torx driver, remove this center screw and these 2 screws on each side. Next, test fit your organizer and make sure all your screw holes line up. Then start removing the clear protective backing film from each of the adhesive strips. And starting in the middle, adhere each strip to the inside of the trunk and line up the screw holes one at a time, making them finger tight for now. Be sure to press the adhesive strips down firmly, and once you have them all on, go back through and tighten down all your screws. Now, if this Can-Am Spyder RT trunk organizer is something you'd like installed in your Spyder, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time. Hello folks, Brandon here with slingmods.com, and today we have a trunk organizer for the Can-Am Spyder RT.